tình món ăn mà thì đấy cho thơm hộp cooking anymore like I said. We got some baked chicken, big rice, bean, and taco hot sauce. Ooh, not a plate. I don't want to spill this. Hola, Lucky. Time for me to eat. One. My favorite food, baked chicken. One at a time, one at a time. Some taco. Give you a lot of meat, the crunchy taco. Love Mexican food. Want some, Lucky? You cannot. Spicy. Mà chả ná nhằm taco. Nó thuộc mai miếng taco. Some bean. Some rice. Put chicken and rice. Probably leftover chicken. Good. Something is spicy. This kind of spicy. This guy is spicy too. Đậm ốp hơi bằng con. This guy is really spicy. Nè xiêm riếp. Nè xiêm riếp đongไป nè xiêm riếp. My wife and mom, sister-in-law in Chennai, they all head back to Phnom Penh City now. In Cambodia. Good. Goodness. Two crew kemarin memang segala. Sakitnya menung. Alright, let's eat it. Oh yeah. Big chicken. Oh, good and spicy. Bone. sleeping again. Wow. Look at this chicken leg. It's come off the bone. Yeah. Wow. Oh, spicy. Popcorn number 2. Why not? Crunchy taco, so you gotta eat it while it's crunchy. Get out of the way. Oh no, no more sauce. No more sauce. I keep telling your mom, no more sauce. Things are from Cambodia. And boy, I always put the cap back on when it's empty. Thank you for watching. Thank you for eating with me. Aku nak menyam mulut ni, makan rasa. បងជម្រាបសួរខ្ញុំថតប្រគុណឲ្យមើលតាមពិតខ្ញុំគាត់ចង់ថតឲ្យប្រាប់ថាបងប្អូនមានមនុស្សចាស់នៅជាមួយដូចម្ដាយមាននិយាយមិនអីអាយុគាត់ចាស់កុំប្រើប្រគុណចុចនៅកណ្ដាលតែមុនប្រគុណខ្ញុំនេះខ្ញុំចុចទឹកនៅកណ្ដាលនេះឃើញពិបាកលូកដៃហ៎បាទឥឡូវខ្ញុំដូរអាថ្មីថ្ងៃមិញទៅ Home Depot អស់តែ$100ដូរនេះយើងចុចជាហៀងនេះដូរថ្មីខ្ញុំដូរឲ្យ wax ក្នុងខ្លួនឯងធ្វើខ្លួនឯងចំណេញលុយហើយឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំញ៉ាំមាន់អាំងហើយឥឡូវខ្ញុំទៅធ្វើបន្ទប់ទឹកខ្ញុំខំនោះទៀតបន្ទប់ទឹកខ្ញុំក្នុងក៏វាកមូនវាក៏លុយដែរWhy am I pointing at a toilet? The reason I'm pointing at a toilet is because I want to pass along if you're living with an elderly person, like my mom, she's really old, or you have grandparents. If you have a flush that's in the middle of on the top of the tank, go ahead and switch to the one on the side. The toilet is really cheap. It's only $100, you know. From Home Depot. The reason is I haven't used this toilet because it's basically my mom's toilet. I always use the outer side in my room. Now that I'm staycation with Lucky, I'm starting to use this toilet often. Then I realized, man, you know, you gotta sit here and you gotta reach to the side and press the button. Then I realized, man, this must be really hard for my mom, you know? She's old, she's very fragile, and, you know, she has to use the restroom more than 5 times a day. She has to turn her body 90 degrees just to press the flush button. So it's, little stuff like that you don't pay attention to, even though it's annoying me when I use it. And then I imagine, man, my 85-year-old mom. So I went out and bought a new toilet, replace it with the side button so she can just sit and press it. Okay, that's the reason I'm doing this toilet video. So, do pay attention if you live with elderly people, stuff like that. It's so stupid. I feel stupid that I didn't pay attention, especially when you have this toilet racks on top of it. Imagine if you're having to press this more than 5 times a day, turning your body around when you're old. Even young people like me, I get annoyed too, So this is probably gonna go. I'm probably gonna have to remove this. Well, no, not anymore, because it's flush on the side. What am I thinking? Even that, we'll see. We'll see when my mom come back from Cambodia. See if you want to keep this shelf to put stuff. But it helped them a lot, the elderly people. So pay attention to that. Even for young children, they have to turn the body around, press it, and get all dirty. So I don't know why they make this button right here in the middle. I guess for young people, they just instead of leaning a little bit to the left. Okay, I'm gonna go to the other side. It's a boring video. If you want to watch it. Just changing the toilet. If you notice brownish stains on the base of the toilet, or if you smell urine, then you need to change the wax. There's nothing wrong with your toilet. Your toilet will last 200 years. It's just stone unless you break it, When it's leaking or it's smelly, or it's the wax, the toilet wax, the round wax that you need to replace. You can do it yourself. If you call a plumber, it can be an easily $200 job. Maybe more, depending on some plumber, Okay, បងប្អូន ឥឡូវខ្ញុំទៅដូរប្រគុណមកខាងនោះទៀតហើយខ្ញុំដូរថ្មីឲ្យម្ដាយខ្ញុំចុចជាហៀងគាត់មកឲ្យគាត់វល់ខ្លួនទៅឈីចកេះគាត់ហើយមួយថ្ងៃចុច 5-6 ដង ពេលខ្ញុំមានអាមួយចុចនៅកណ្ដាលនៅលើហ្នឹងបាក់ប្រើមនុស្សចាស់គាត់lạiទៅកិច្ចខ្លួនគាត់ទៅស្ដាំចុចនោះអូអត់នឹកឃើញlạiទៅធ្វើការមកផ្ទះតែឥឡូវមានពេលនៅមួយមក lucky ជាដើររកការធ្វើក្នុងផ្ទះទៅរាល់ដងតើខ្ញុំជប់3អាទិត្យជាងខ្ញុំទៅដល់ស្រុកខ្មែរដល់លេងស្រុកជប៉ុនហើយអត់នៅផ្ទះទេ So ឥឡូវទៅខ្ញុំបងប្អូនចង់មើលក៏មើលខ្ញុំដូរកូនជាលេខមកតិចនោះវាធំឆ្អេះហើយវាធំមានស្អីគេខ្មែរអីក្អែវានៅក្រោមមកអានោះមានន័យថាវាលេខកំអូនវាក្នុងកដាលយើងអាចដូរខ្លួនឯងបានស្រួលធ្វើមែនតើយើងហៅជាមកអស់$200ធូហ្មងអូខេចាំទៅដូរប្រគុណកណ្ដោម៉ែឥឡូវគេដើរលេងស្រុកខ្មែរឥឡូវខ្ញុំនៅផ្ទះតនេជួសជុលប្រគុណជួសជុលកណ្ដោហើយនៅកណ្ដោមួយទៀតខ្ញុំដូរកមួនវាអាមេរិកបើយើងចង់ចំណេញលុយយើងធ្វើខ្លួនឯងឬក៏ជួ plumber មក plumber យ៉ាងតិចក៏200ជាងដែរ plumber វាស៊ីលុយអានេះស្រុកអាមេរិកអានេះស្រួលធ្វើខ្លួនឯងខ្ញុំធ្វើបន្ទប់ទឹកខាងមួយនោះហើយថ្ងៃមិញវាបន្ទប់ទឹកណាអាកាំងមានគេនេះកមួនណាវាកមួនខ្មុំនោះស្អិតយើងតម្លាក់ទៅលើមកនេះថ្មីអានេះចាស់អានេះ20ឆ្នាំចឹងមកទៅតាំងពីចាប់ផ្ទះគេនៅមុនចឹងទៅយើងបាញ់ទឹកទៅវាជ្រាបឃើញជ្រាបចេញមកគេណាក្រក់ឲ្យធំក្លិនទឹកនោមអីនេះរននេះលូទុកទឹកអាកាំងចឹងអានេះខ្ញុំខ្វែនេះចេញទៅខ្ញុំដាក់កមួនថ្មីកាប់ទៅលើទៅចាប់ស្រួលចំណេញលុយ$200ជាងជួលគេ Nothing to do fixing the toilet. This is the second one I'm changing the wax. It's been sipping I didn't pay attention until the last few weeks. I can see the brownish seeping out the corner here. So I learned this from YouTube. This is like the third toilet I did already, so I'm a professional now. Save some money, you know, the plumber charge you a lot of money. Ăn của bạn thơ đi các con, mà con cho con sổ, bật tập mua tập chơi mua cháo hài. So easy to do, guys. Save some money. Be careful, don't let anything fall into the sewage line. Scrape the bottom, all the stain build up. Done. There's out there. Đã cầm ôn bờ lưới, đã có con bờ lưới chập bạn cho nên lùi bạn được lần này. You're good to go for another 10 years, 15 years. Don't press the wax, just the rubber part. Two finger. Cut your knife on them. Con bự lớn nó gắn lại anh tập tới gắn còn muốn này bật được chết kiến cũng phải ở đây bằng sắt come out using the tape to line with the bolt. Good to go. Plate check. Looks good, all clean. Just have to check for leakage. Make sure the water is tight. The water line. Okay, leaking. There's no leaking over here. That's it. Right hand. Phải lucky mouth nha, bông cốt nha, tren nhâm phong.